Hey everyone, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing Construction, and yes, we are part of people's honey-do list and all types of work, exterior, interior. In this particular case, I have a good friend that had a ceiling that was falling. Over time, the support was given out, the sheetrock was just sagging down, and so we're at a point of we replaced the sheetrock, insulation above it, and we've just prepared. The next step is to actually texture it to match the other area, and then we'll be painting this full ceiling. Obviously, having everything protected and going through. And while we were here, we're doing additional work, where it's just sort of clean up from just, where tape and beds coming through and cracking. Every house settles, and this is a good example. When you do have things that settle, the sheetrock, you start seeing little cracks, and it's just it's not a major thing, but at the same time, if we can clean it up, we're going to do so. So we're just in the process of prepping the whole area. We're doing some work in the garage as well, but this is just another example of being part of people's honey-do list. We always have you covered. And if you're wondering if you need any help in one area or the other, give Trinity a call. Our family would love to serve yours. Again, this is Joel. You can always reach me directly, 214-535-0888. Have a great day.